Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss the conversion of direct to indirect speech of imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? These sentences are either request, command, order, advice, entreaty, proposal, suggestion, etc. That is, these sentences involve some type of human emotions as mentioned above. As you already know, there are 5 types of sentences, namely interrogative, assertive, optative, exclamatory, and this is the fifth one, that is imperative sentence. There are two most important basic rules which you need to know before you start converting direct speech to indirect speech regarding imperative sentences. The very rule 1 is the reporting verb is accordingly changed into following verbs like tell, told, ordered, advised, commanded, suggested, etc. That means according to the type of sentence. Rule number 2 says imperative mood of reported speech is changed to infinitive mood by placing to before it, which means that in assertive sentence that was replaced instead of comma and double inverted comma, in exclamatory sentence it was exclaimed. Likewise, when you remove comma double inverted comma in imperative sentence, then you are supposed to write to. Now let's begin with the very first sentence. The first sentence is I said to my servant, comma double inverted comma start, bring my bag. So as you are seeing, this is a sentence in which I am ordering my servant to bring my bag. So when you change to indirect speech, it becomes I ordered. Said to is replaced by ordered. I ordered my servant, comma double inverted comma is replaced by to, to. And then accordingly the words become bring my bag. I ordered my servant to bring my bag. So you have converted this sentence to indirect speech, keeping in mind the rules as mentioned above. Next sentence is you said to him, comma double inverted comma start, please lend me your book. So when you convert to indirect speech, it becomes you requested him to lend you his book. Said to is changed to requested because this is the please word is showing request in this sentence. Comma double inverted comma is replaced by to. Me is changed to you. Your is changed to his. You have to note down that pronouns are accordingly changed as they have been changing in other type of sentences. Third sentence is the teacher said to the students, never disobey the laws. The teacher advised the student because this sentence is about advising somebody. So, said to is replaced by advised. The teacher advised the students. If we follow the above rules, it should be comma double inverted comma replaced by to. Never disobey the laws. But whenever it is words like never, always, you have to interchange the place of to. यानी कि to को आप कॉमा डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के एग्जैक्ट नीचे ना लिख के नेवर या ऑलवेज इस तरह के शब्दों के बाद लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे जो टू का ओरिजिनल सब्सटीट्यूशन पोजीशन था वहाँ पे ना लिख के आप इसको नेवर के बाद में लिखिए. सो इट बिकम्स द टीचर एडवाइज द स्टूडेंट्स नेवर टू डिसोबे द लॉज. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. यूजुअली क्या होता था कि कॉमा डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हटा तो उसकी जगह पे टू लिखते थे. लेकिन जब भी शब्द ये वाले आएंगे नेवर, ऑलवेज, तो आप इस टू को एग्जैक्टली इसके नीचे ना लिख के इन वर्ड्स के बाद में लिखेंगे, ये ध्यान रखना है। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द कमांडर सेड टू हिज सोल्जर्स स्टैंड एट ईज। सो द आंसर बिकम्स द कमांडर, commanded, said to is replaced by commanded, his soldiers to stand at ease, comma double inverted comma is replaced by to, stand at ease. You can also use the word ordered over here. Next sentence is Naman says to his sister, kindly help me in solving this sum. So Naman said to is replaced by requested. So Naman requested his sister to help him in solving. This is replaced to that sum. So Naman requested कहाँ आया instead of said to. Naman requested his sister, comma double inverted comma is replaced by to. Because it is kindly, so you have already taken the word requested over here. क्योंकि ये काइंडली यहाँ पे रिक्वेस्ट को शो करता है, इसलिए आपने सेट टू की जगह पे रिक्वेस्टेड लिया था. नमन रिक्वेस्टेड हिज सिस्टर टू हेल्प हिम, हियर इट इज़ हेल्प मी, मी इज चेंज टू हिम, इन सॉल्विंग, दिस को बदल दिया दैट में, इन सॉल्विंग दैट सम. मदर सेड टू मी ऑलवेज हैव फेथ इन गॉड. So mother advised me. You are seeing said to is replaced by advice. Mother advised me always to. यहाँ पे वही काम किया है, कॉमा डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा की जगह पे टू आता है, लेकिन वो टू को हमने ऑलवेज के बाद लिखा है. So answer becomes mother advised me always to have faith in God. Next sentence. The thief said to the magistrate, pardon me. The thief requested the magistrate, because pardon is an extreme request. So it is the thief requested या pleaded कह लीजिए, legal language में हम plead करते हैं. So the thief requested or pleaded the magistrate to, comma double inverted comma is replaced by to, pardon him. Sit down boys, said the teacher. So again, even if double inverted comma या reported speech is written in the starting of the sentence, then also while you are doing indirect speech, the pattern is going to be the same. That is, you have to start with the very subject, the speaker. The teacher ordered the boys to sit down. So it's जिस यहाँ पे देखिए रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के अंदर बॉयज़ आया है, बट व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच यू हैव टू रिसॉल्व इट अगेन, जैसे हम लोग करते थे. द टीचर्स सेड टू द बॉयज़, यानी कि द टीचर्स ऑर्डर्ड द बॉयज़. तो आप उसको ठीक कर लेंगे, चाहे डायरेक्ट स्पीच में उसको किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिखा गया हो. नेक्स्ट इज द जनरल सेड टू द सोल्जर्स, march onwards and attack the enemy. Now this is a general, an army general, therefore it's can be commanded or ordered. The general ordered, said to is replaced either by ordered or commanded. The general ordered the soldiers to, comma double inverted comma is replaced by to, march onwards and attack the enemy. So is it clear? Ravi said to Hari, take your seat please. You are seeing again please is there, therefore you are going to understand that this sentence is a request. It is showing a request. So Ravi requested Hari, comma double inverted comma replaced by to. Ravi requested Hari to take his seat. Your is replaced by his. He said to his friend, please pardon me for having disturbed you at this late hour. So it will be he. Said to is replaced by requested because please is the word. which will make you understand this. He requested his friend to pardon him. Pardon me will become pardon him for having disturbed him. So again, him, you will be changed to him. At this late hour. So here this will further change to that. So these are the changes. He requested his friend to pardon him for having disturbed him at that late hour. So this is the conversion. Now let's look at the last sentence of today's video. The accused said to the judge, "Sir, forgive me for my sins." So the answer becomes the accused pleaded the judge, or you can, if you don't remember pleaded, you can use requested. The accused pleaded the judge to forgive him for his sins. So said to is replaced by pleaded, comma, double inverted comma is replaced by to. Forgive me. Me is replaced by him. Forgive him for his sins. Here indirect speech, it is my sins. In indirect it becomes his sins. So the answer is to be read again. The accused pleaded the judge to forgive him for his sins. So I hope this small lecture will be of help to you in understanding and doing the conversion of direct to indirect speech and vice versa of imperative sentences. Keep studying. Stay blessed. Goodbye for now.